Hey, do you want to learn how to turn long-form videos into high-converting UGC-style clips for your Pinterest campaigns? You are definitely in the right place because today I'm walking you through how to do it step-by-step using Vizard. My goal is to show you how to make this process way less painful and actually scalable for your brand or business. If you are new here, I help manage content and growth projects for e-commerce brands, and I love finding ways to recycle long videos. Before we dive in, if you prefer watching instead of listening, I have dropped a link to Vizard in the description for you. Let's start with your raw material, which can be anything from product demos and live streams to simple how-to clips. For this example, imagine we are working with a fun home decor brand that is trying to sell a unique table lamp. First, you need to upload your footage and let Vizard scan the content to find the best moments. I usually throw in everything I have, including product B-roll, founder interviews, and even raw unboxing footage. Vizard's auto-editing feature is great because it automatically sniffs out the most engaging moments in your raw files. The AI finds those little sparks where the host smiles or shows the product up close, which becomes the backbone of your clips. Once the AI finishes, you need to pick your viral clips by hovering through the suggested segments to hear the audio. For a home decor lamp, you are looking for a 3-second hook that catches the eye immediately. You also want a quick feature demo and a closing statement that uses urgency to nudge people toward a purchase. Keep these clips bright, conversational, and generally between 15 and 30 seconds long for the best engagement. The next step is to humanize your content because UGC clips work best when they feel authentic and real. If you do not have pre-recorded creative footage, you can simply record a casual voiceover on your phone. Just try to sound like a friend giving a recommendation rather than reading a stiff infomercial script. You should upload this audio into Vizard and match it up to your clips so the visuals perfectly reinforce your words. Now polish everything with text and captions because remember that many Pinterest users watch content on mute. Use short, punchy on-screen text for your hooks and benefits, like mentioning free shipping or specific product features. Keep the text readable and perfectly synced with your voiceover to ensure the viewer stays focused on the message. Next is distribution, and this is where Vizard's auto-schedule and content calendar save me hours of work. Instead of manually exporting files for different platforms, you can set your frequency and let the tool queue your posts. The content calendar lets you see at a glance what is going live and adjust your captions if needed. Consistency is a small thing that really adds up to major growth, so automate this whenever you possibly can. A pro tip regarding creatives is to try and match the setting of your clips to the product you are selling. If you are selling a lamp, pick clips filmed in a cozy living room or on a bedside table to set the mood. Small context cues make your ads feel native and relatable rather than feeling like a pushy sales pitch. Regarding actors and voices, if you work with creators, pick someone who naturally fits the vibe of your brand. If you are using your own voice, just lean into a casual tone as if you are explaining a product to a friend. Vizard actually helps you test multiple audio tracks against the same visuals so you can A/B test the overall vibe. Now let's talk about script structure because even a great edit needs a solid script to drive conversions. Your hook needs to win attention in 3 seconds, so make it specific and genuinely attention-grabbing. Follow that with the meat of the content, which should show quick benefits and visuals of the product in action. Finally, include a moment of urgency and a clear call to action, like telling them to tap to shop. The reason I prefer Vizard over other editing tools is that it combines 3 practical things in one single place. It auto-edits viral clips, it manages your schedule, and it gives you a content calendar to manage everything across socials. In short, this workflow means fewer tools, fewer headaches, and more time for you to focus on strategy. One workflow tip I swear by is keeping a folder of raw product shots to layer into your UGC clips for credibility. Always test multiple hooks by letting Vizard generate several variations and then double down on the winner. Once your clip is scheduled, download a master copy as a backup, just in case you want to repurpose it elsewhere. To wrap up, simply upload, let the AI pick highlights, curate your clips, record your voiceover, and add captions. If you want to try the tool I used today, check the link in the description to start your free trial. If you have questions about writing hooks or picking clips, drop a comment below and I will help you brainstorm. Also, let me know what product you are promoting and I will give you some suggestions on hooks and edit ideas. I hope that was helpful, so go make something awesome and let consistency do the heavy lifting for you. Catch you in the next one. And bye for now.